Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 4 best fume extractor on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mention, check the description box below. Number 4. Hunstex F250 Fume Extractor. The Hunstex F250 Fume Extractor is a powerful and efficient solution for removing harmful fumes and odors from your workspace. With an input power of 120 W and a no-load revolutions rate of 4500 RPM, it can handle even the most demanding tasks. The XF250 operates at 220 V, providing a negative pressure of 1700 Pa for efficient extraction. It also offers adjustable wind speed options of 2x 11 meters per second, allowing you to customize the extraction power based on your specific needs. The XF250 operates at less than 63 decibels, ensuring a quiet and peaceful workspace. The included 1.2 meters suction arm allows for flexible positioning. The system can handle a large volume of air, ensuring thorough fume extraction. The XF250 is compact and lightweight, measuring just 280 x 280 x 500 millimeters and weighing only 10 kilograms. Its advanced filtration system includes an initial effect cotton H11 and activated carbon filter, effectively filtering out smoke, fumes, odors, and particulate matter, resulting in clean, breathable air. Number 3. TBK638 Fume Extractor. The TBK638 Fume Extractor is a reliable solution for eliminating fumes and smoke from your workspace. It features a brushless motor for durability and customization, making it suitable for various applications. The product comes in a sturdy box and is labeled with a unique model number for easy identification. The TBK638 is ideal for smoking instruments, providing a cleaner and healthier workspace. It can be used in combination with various tools and equipment, making it easy to integrate into your setup. The TBK638 is designed for electrical applications, making it user-friendly and easy to integrate into projects. Originating from mainland China, the TBK638 is a testament to HDCSUN's commitment to excellence and innovation. Number 2. Noku FES035 Fume Extractor. The Noku FES035 Fume Extractor is a portable and efficient smoke absorber designed for use in soldering, laser engraving, or other activities generating harmful fumes and particles. It features a 2-stage filtration system, with the first layer containing high-density filter cotton and the second layer using a high-efficiency HEPA filter. The lightweight and portable design of the device makes it easy to move to different areas. The adjustable high-suction fan can rotate at speeds up to 7000 RPM, delivering 52 CFM, and a high CADR of 85 cubic meters per hour. The 23-inch telescopic tube allows for flexibility in directing the smoke absorber, and the laser protective cover prevents smoke diffusion during the engraving process, providing an optimal viewing experience. Number 1. Luxianzi Fume Extractor. The Luxianzi Fume Extractor is a desktop smoking device designed to provide a clean and safe working environment. It features a 360 degrees adjustable welding smoker with an activated carbon sponge, which effectively filters out harmful particles. The device also has a strong suction power with a HEPA-dense mesh filter that is anti-static. The ball bearing technology ensures fast and low noise, allowing users to concentrate on their work without being distracted by the fume extractor's racket. The power cord is durable and long-lasting, ensuring a long service life. The Luxianzi Fume Extractor effectively prevents the absorption of toxic flux and lead fumes, ensuring health and safety during soldering. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.